In my decades-long experience closely tracking it, it has taught me sleep is vitally important to fight multiple sclerosis. It's the perfect time when our myelin is replaced from the MS attack, which stole it. It's backed up by scientific research. I have made it one of the 5 essential elements of my MS recovery. The word recovery might sound vague, so let me be absolutely clear. Restore myelin. Hey, it's Steve. What I've learned over the years as I've restored my myelin is that the whole process is not a simple thing. There are countless things that need to happen. Now, I'm gonna go over why genetics let the MS attack happen in the first place. If you have MS just like me, just know it can happen in us. Thankfully, there's a way to prevent future damage and reverse MS. Sleep targets that last part, reversing MS. Check out all the videos on my channel. I go over all the essential elements. So, in the brain, there are cells called oligodendrocytes. These are the cells that make and maintain our myelin. If our immune system had never attacked in the first place, multiple sclerosis would not be a thing. So the scientific research I talked about earlier, it has been discovered that deep sleep is regenerative for these oligodendrocyte cells. And my experience clearly tells me once they are restored, myelin is restored, which in the end stops symptoms. I take tracking my sleep very seriously. For years, I have exclusively relied on my Fitbit watch for tracking. But here's the problem. You can say, I don't know what happened. I don't remember it slipping off my wrist. But the other day, I went to take it off and put it on the charger, and it was simply gone. I've done everything. I've torn my room apart. I've enlisted my entire family on the search. And we've ripped my entire room apart. And still, no Fitbit. In one way, it's kind of good. It was older, and Fitbit has released a newer version. So I figure, there's no better time to upgrade than now. It shipped, and will be here in a few days. When I first lost it, I dreaded this. But now I've discovered something new. And it's kind of a blessing in disguise. While I love my sleep score my Fitbit gives me every morning, which is entirely accurate, recording my sleep stages on my Fitbit is abysmal. Terrible. This is a side-by-side. It's recording against a typical reading. Oh no, that reading drove me crazy. Having at least a reading that is somewhat in the general ballpark is all I'm asking for. This is just sad. Slow wave and REM sleep are vital to restore myelin. Maybe not getting enough set my MS going in the first place. So, but before I've lost my Fitbit, I've changed my lifestyle drastically. You know it, you watch my videos. And now more than ever, I feel my myelin is being restored. In a complete fluke, I discovered another app I have as a subscription, and it works better than my Fitbit to record my sleep stages. The two work in different ways, which makes it more complete. When I get my new Fitbit, I'm imagining it'll probably be the same as the old one with terrible sleep scores. So I think this combined with the new Fitbit might offer a more complete picture. Fitbit estimates sleep stages using a combination of movement and heart rate patterns. While sleeping, it tracks the beat-by-beat changes in heart rate, known as heart rate variability. The fluctuations signifies transition between light, deep, and REM sleep. But looking at what it recorded always perplexed me. It never looked typical. Thought I was kind of crazy. And I never trusted it. Enter the new app. It's called Better Sleep. I've talked about it before, as it's the app that plays my mix of pink and brown noise and sleep to. The app uses my iPhone microphone to record me while I sleep. The sounds I make while I sleep are picked up, tracked, and analyzed in the app when I wake up. First time I used it, I was skeptical. You know, I have a subwoofer that plays binaural beats, and I sleep with a pillow over my head and my face turned away from the phone. All that said, I was kind of shocked with the results. It actually saves clips throughout the night, and I can definitely tell, and I can definitely hear me snoring, breathing, all that kind of stuff. But what shocks me even more than those sounds is seeing my sleep stages. What? Yes, exactly. That's more like it. It all takes me back to the science I talked about at the beginning of the video. There will never be a way to record myelin formation. But tracking my sleep, particularly slow wave and deep sleep, and combining it with the knowledge of how I feel, tells me now more than ever, without a doubt, my myelin is being restored. What do you think of this? Does this excite you? Do you want to try it out for yourself? You can be no different than me. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Until the next one.